Hello guys! Handa na ba kayong matuto? Press like kung handa na. Wow! Mukhang handang-handa na ang lahat. Ngayong araw, ating pag-aaralan ang napaka-importanting topic, ang bodily system. Oo, ang bodily system. Meron na ba kayong kaalaman tungkol dito? Ating alamin ang importansya at definisyon ng topic na ito. Tara na at samahan niyo ako. Bodily system are a group of organs and tissues that work together to perform an important job for the body. Do you have any knowledge about the skeletal system? So ngayong araw kasama natin si Kuya John Paulo ulit at si Kuya Friday Carreño para i-discuss ang definition ng skeletal system.
The skeletal system is your body's central framework. It consists of bones and connective tissue, including cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. Tinatawag din itong musculoskeletal system. So, pag nabing skeletal system, ito yung body central framework natin. Siyempre, gaano ba ka-importante yung skeletal system sa atin? The skeletal system works as a support structure for your body. So, ito yung nagsusupport sa atin ng structure sa body natin. Nagbibigay rito ng shape at nagbibigay ito ng movement sa atin. At make blood cells and provide protection for organs and store minerals. So, ganun ka-importante yung skeletal system natin sa pang-araw-araw. So, yung parang nagbibigay ng energy sa atin para tumayo tayo ng maayos, makapaglakad. Kaya nga yung mga iba, pag may nabali yung kamay nila or something na sa buto nila, nagiging mali yung structure ng bones nila. Kaya dapat alagaan natin yung bones natin para palaging healthy at maayos tayong tumayo.
Next ay ang components of human skeleton. So the first one is bones. So ang ating bones ay form ng tough and rigid connective tissue. Ito ang nagpro-provide ng shape at sumusuporta sa ating katawan at ito din ang pumoprotekta sa ating mga organs. Next is cartilage. Ang cartilage naman ay isang flexible tissue na pinoprotektahan naman ng ating joints at bones. Ito ay nag-a-act bilang shock absorber sa ating buong katawan. And last is joints. Ang joints naman ay kung saan dito nagmi-meet ang dalawang buto sa ating katawan. Ito din ang dahilan kung bakit nagiging flexible ang ating katawan. Kapag walang mga ito, magiging imposible ang ating paggalaw dahil ang joints ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nakakagalaw. Next ay ang division of human skeleton. So meron tayong axial skeleton. Ito ay binubuo ng 80 bones sa ating central core ng ating katawan. Kabilang dito ang mga buto sa ating bungo, tainga, leeg, likod at ribcage. So it serves to protect the brain, spinal cord, heart, and lungs. Ito ang nagsisilbing attachment site for our muscle that move the head, neck, and back, and for muscle that act across the shoulder and hip joints to move their corresponding limbs. Next is appendicular skeleton. Ang appendicular skeleton naman is comprised of the upper and lower extremities, which include the shoulder girdle and pelvis. The shoulder girdle and pelvis provide connection points between the appendicular skeleton and the axial skeleton to where mechanical loads transfer. The human appendicular skeleton is composed of the bones of the upper limbs, which function is to grasp and manipulate objects, and the lower limbs, which permit locomotion. It also includes the pectoral or shoulder girdle and the pelvic girdle, which attach the upper and lower limbs to the body respectively.
And to discuss the importance of the nervous system, kasama natin ngayong araw si Ate Diana Lactaw at si Kuya Rafael Manlutak.
Good day. I'm Rafael Manlutak and the topic is about nervous system. The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and a complex network of nerves. This system sends message back and forth between the brain and the body. The brain is what controls all the body's functions. The spinal cord runs from the brain down through the back. Your nervous system is your body's command center. Originating from your brain, it controls your movements, thoughts, and automatic response to world and around you. Next is why nervous system is important. The nervous system plays a role in nearly every aspect of our health and well-being. It guides every activities, such as waking up. Automatic activities such as breathing and complex processes such as thinking, reading, remembering, and feeling emotions. The most important in nervous system is brain. Brain is what controls all the body functions. The spinal cord runs from the brain down through the back. It contains thread-like nerves that branch out to every organ and body part. This network of nerves relays message and forth from the brain to different parts of the body.
Now let's discuss the different parts of nervous system. There are two divisions of nervous system, namely the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. So in central nervous system, it consists the brain and the spinal cord. The brain here is the central processing unit of the body, one of the important, largest, and the central organ of the human nervous system. It is the control unit of the nervous system which helps us in understanding, making decisions, and so on. It also controls our muscle movements, while the spinal cord is concerned with spinal reflex actions and the conduction of nerve impulses to and from the brain. It connects all parts of the body to the brain and performs important functions to maintain balance. On the other hand, the peripheral nervous system includes all the nerves of the body, and it is further divided into two components, the somatic and autonomic nervous system. In somatic nervous system controls the voluntary actions in the body by transmitting impulses from the CNS to the skeletal muscle cells, while the autonomic nervous system involved in involuntary actions like the regulation of physiological functions such as digestion, respiration, and salivation, and etc. It can also be divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic, wherein sympathetic nervous system controls the fight or flight responses, and the parasympathetic nervous system regulates the rest and digest functions. Nerves are bundles of axons in PNS that act as information highways to carry signals between the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of the body. It is responsible for carrying messages to all the parts of the body, and there are three types of nerves. These are the sensory nerves that send messages from all the senses to the brain. Motor nerves carry messages from the brain to all the muscles, and the mixed nerves carry both sensory and motor nerves. So that's all. Thank you!
Ating alamin ang iba't ibang parte ng ating respiratory system sa tulong ni na Ate Nicole Bulao at Kuya Kevin Kyle Manala.
I am Mr. Kevin Kyle S. Manala, and I will discuss what is respiratory system. Respiratory system is the network of organs and tissues that help you to breathe. It includes your airways, lungs, and blood vessels. The muscle that power your lungs are also part of your respiratory system. These parts work together to move oxygen throughout the body and clean out waste gases like carbon dioxide. What does the respiratory system do? The respiratory system has many functions besides helping you inhale or breathe in and exhale or breathe out. It allows you to talk and smell. Warm air to match your body temperature and moisturize it to the humidity level of your body needs. Deliver oxygen to the cell in your body. Removes waste gases include carbon dioxide from the body when you exhale. Protect your airways from harmful substances and irritants. Importance of respiratory system. The respiratory system is responsible for obtaining oxygen and getting rid of carbon dioxide, in aiding in speech production and in sensing odors. This system helps your body absorb oxygen from the air so your organs can work. It also clean waste gases such as carbon dioxide from your blood. Common problems include allergies, diseases, or infections.
I am Nicole Bulaon, and now I will tell you the 5 most important part of the respiratory system. First is the mouth and nose, which is the opening that pull air to your body. Second pharynx, the tube that delivers air from our mouth to nose. Third, the trachea, the passage connecting our throat and lungs. Fourth, the bronchial tubes, the tubes at the bottom of trachea to connect each lung. And lastly, lungs is the process gas we call breathing.
Kasama ko si Kuya Mark Labasan at si Kuya Justin Lim. Samahan niyo kami at aming i-discuss about the musculatory system.
Hello guys, I'm Kuya Mark Labasan at aking i-discuss ang importance, function at parts ng ating muscular system. The muscular system consists of various types of muscle that each play a crucial role in the function of the body. There are approximately 600 muscle organs in our body. So kung isipin natin, yung alam lang natin minsan is yung bicep, yung tricep, at iba pang mga muscle tissue. Pero meron pala tayong 600. So we have the 5 major function of our muscle. Unang-una dito ay ang movement of the body o kung paano tayo kumilos at gumalaw. Pangalawa, ang maintenance of posture o kung paano tayo tumindig, umupo, humiga, na hindi parang gelatin na aalog-alog. Pangatlo ay ang respiration. Ang ating respiratory system, particularly ang ating puso, ay meron ding muscle na nakakatulong sa ating paghinga. Pang-apat, ang production of body heat. Ang muscle ay nagpo-produce ng body heat na kailangan ng ating katawan. Ang panglima at huli ay ang communication. Nakakatulong ang muscle sa ating pag-communicate sa ibang tao dahil ang ating labi, ang ating mga kamay, ang ating mga paa ay ginagamit natin sa communication. So we have the 3 main types of muscle. Meron tayong skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, at cardiac muscle. Ang smooth muscle, particularly ang mga muscle sa ating digestive system, sa blood vessel at sa arteries. Ang cardiac muscle naman ay ang muscle sa ating puso. Skeletal muscle naman ay ang mga muscle na connected sa ating mga buto. Ang skeletal muscle ay classified bilang voluntary kung napapagalaw natin siya kung kailan natin gusto. Samantalang ang smooth at cardiac muscle naman ay classified bilang involuntary. Kahit hindi natin siya pinapagalaw o hindi nakokontrol, ay gumagalaw siyang mag-isa. Having knowledge about the muscular system is very important because it plays a crucial role in our body function. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Paalam!
Good morning guys, my name is Justin Lawrence Lim from BBE3B and the topic that assigned to me is muscular system. The muscular system is composed of specialized cells called muscle fibers. There are predominant function in solubility muscles attached to a bone or internal organs and blood vessels are responsible for movement. Nearly all movement in the body is the result of muscular construction.
Naiinigit ba ang iyong dibdib dahil sa iyong nakaraan? Ito ay konektado sa cardiovascular system na i-discuss ni na Ate Eric Taban at Kuya Chester Kapili.
Kamusta mga bata? Ako nga pala si John Chester Kapili ang bibigay kaalaman sa inyo ngayong araw. Ako'y miyembro ng Group 2 at ang tatalakayin natin ngayon is all about cardiovascular system. Ano nga ba ang cardiovascular system? It divides into 3 parts in our body called heart, blood vessels, and blood. Our blood ay nagbibigay ng oxygen at nutrients to our muscles and organs para makapag-function ito ng maayos. And with the help of blood, inaayos nito ang carbon dioxide sa ating katawan. Ang heart is also known as the hardest working organ in our body. In an average human lifetime, ang puso natin ay titibok ng 2.5 million times at ang smoking, eating, unhealthy food at hindi pag-exercise ay nagbibigay ng dahilan upang humina ang ating puso. Ang ating puso ay iisa lamang, kaya ating ingatan. Huwag natin bigay sa ating kasintahan o sa maling tao. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat mga bata. Ako'y may natutunan kayo.
Cardiovascular system is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and cellular waste products throughout the body. It consists of heart, blood vessel, and blood. Let me enlighten you about the components of cardiovascular system, which is the heart, blood vessels, and blood. And let me begin to the structure of the heart. The first one is epicardium. The outer layer, a serous membrane that helps to lubricate and protect the outside of the heart. Next, we have myocardium, the middle or muscular layer. This is the muscle of the heart and it's responsible for pumping blood. And the last structure of this is endocardium. It is the inner layer and forms inner lining of the heart and the flaps which form veils of the heart. Now, we will move on the components of vascular system in blood vessels, the arteries, capillaries, and veins. Arteries are blood vessels carry the blood away from the heart, wherein the veins is carry blood towards the heart, and capillaries is take waste product away from tissue. And last is the components of cardiovascular system in blood. We have different types of blood cells, and I will begin to the red blood cells or erythrocytes. It's deliver oxygen to the tissue in your body. Next, the white blood cells or leukocytes that help the body fight infections and other diseases. Third is platelets or thrombocytes. It form clots and stop or prevent bleeding. And last is the plasma. It is the largest part of your blood. It's a mixture of waters, proteins, and dissolved substances. And that's all, Kuya Mark, for cardiovascular system. I hope children learned a lot from us.
Sumasakit ba yung mga tiyan nyo guys? Kasi sa akin sobrang sakit na eh. Halina't magpatulong tayo kila Ate Eric Taban at Kuya Chester Capili dahil ito'y konektado sa ating digestive system.
Basta mga bata, ako nga pala si John Chester Capili na nagbibigay yung kaalaman ngayong araw. Ang ating tatalakayin ngayon is all about digestive system. Ano nga ba ang digestive system? Ang digestive system, it breaks down the food nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Ang digestive system ay napaka-importante upang matunaw ang ating kinakain sa araw-araw. Tinutulungan nito na makapag-produce ng mabilis ang ating katawan ng sustansya galing sa ating kinakain. Pinapadali din nito ang ating pagdumi upang malabas ang ating kinain na pinanggalingan ng sustansya. Dadaan ito sa ating intestine at lalabas ito sa ating anus. Yun lamang po ang aking ipapahayag na may natutunan po kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Good day again. I am your Kuya Eric to explain more about the digestive system. And here's the question that I need to answer by the end of my presentation. First, what is digestive system? Second, what does digestive system do? Third, why is digestion is important? And last, what organs make up digestive system? Let me answer the first question. What is digestive system? Digestive system is made up of the gastrointestinal tract and your liver, pancreas, and bladder. Let's move on to the second question. What does digestive system do? Your digestive system is uniquely constructed to do its job turning your food into the nutrients and energy you need to survive. And when it's done with that, it suddenly packages your solid waste or stool for disposal when you have a bowel movement. Next, your third question. Why digestive system is important? Digestion is important because your body needs nutrients from the food you eat and the liquids you drink in order to stay healthy and function properly. Nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Your digestive system breaks down and absorbs nutrients from the foods and liquid you consume to use for important things like energy, growth, and repairing cells. And now, let me proceed in your final question. What organs make up the digestive system? The organs that make up the digestive system in order for there to function are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestines, large intestines, rectum, and anus. And that's all, children, for our digestive system, and I hope I answer your question and you learn a lot from us with my partner, Chester Kapili. Back to you, Kuya Mark.
Yun nga para sa araw na ito. Sana'y nag-enjoy kayo. Press like o heart kung nag-enjoy kayo at madami kayong natutunan. Wow! Mukhang madami nga kayong natutunan. Muli, kami ang Group 2 from BPN 115. So, we should never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!